Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. Today we're going to talk about some common spare parts for our ice cream machines. Now, after you use the machine for several months, maybe 3 to 6 months, there will be some parts which needs to be replaced from time to time. Now we're going to walk through some of the common ones, and for our company, we will equip with some common spare parts for our customers at the beginning. So we can make sure in the beginning stage, there won't be any operating issues for our customers. Now keep in mind, these spare parts are very common and can be locally sourced as well. But if you can find us and we can help you to acquire those spare parts if you need. Now to start with, for our mixers for the ice cream, in the back over here, there is a rubber piece. This piece, if you clean it properly, they won't have any problem for years. However, if customers are sometimes not too careful with it, there might be some damages. So this is why in our spare parts package, we're also equipped with 2 of these for you to replace. Now the next one is the small rubber piece on these ones and the ones that shapes like H on these ones. Now this part is actually from the middle over here. Let's take one for indication. So you can place these ones, we can put it inside to operate. Each time when you make an ice cream, you press and the stick climbs up a little bit. Now during this process, the inside rubber piece is being used and scratched. So after a few months of operation, this rubber piece right here needs to be replaced. Now we have in our package, we have several ones for you to replace in the beginning stage, and after a while, if you feel like you need, you can always contact us for more. Next part is our handles. Handles is being used most often inside of a ice cream machine. Now these handles, sometimes the brakes on the bottom, they might peel off, or the rubber pieces inside, they will be used very commonly. So we have replacements for these as well. And also for our ice cream, if you want to come out with different shapes, there's usually a lid over here as well. Now after some time, they might need replacing. So we have some of those inside for you as well. Other than that, any other spare parts is also available, from compressors to different kinds of components inside. We have all the replacements if you need, and you can always contact us for after-sales service, and we'll be very responsive. Within 24 hours, we'll get back to you, and as soon as you place the order, we'll have a solution for you. Either it is sea shipping or it is through air, whichever is most convenient for our customers, we can provide the service for you.